At your dealership, customers always come first. Discover how you can help ensure a 5-star experience, boost CSI scores, and control costs with Uber for Business. Elevate your customer experience by providing courtesy rides to customers while their cars are being serviced. Use Central to request an Uber ride for your customer. They'll receive an SMS to track their trip. For repairs that might take a few days, provide a voucher with Uber credit that can be used on rides. Use Central to help move employees to and from the dealership with ease. Provide white glove service with vehicle pickup and drop-off during service or maintenance appointments. Transport parts straight to your service bay using the parts delivery feature on Central. Uber for Business helps you optimize costs and improve operational efficiency, while taking your customers' experience from good to great. Join thousands of auto dealerships using Uber for Business today. Learn more on our website.